Hey everybody, it's Stephen Hooson from Make Me a Home, and great news, the house settled today. So we've now officially in our new house at Maroochydore that we're going to renovate and flip, and we're starting the demo work. Congratulations on settling our Maroochydore renovation project.
Poor old Cheryl.
And starting it.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. Let the fun begin.
Yeah.
Now.
It's already begun today.
Yeah. Wow. Actually, didn't we decide to keep the bougainvillea? Wow, that looks different, doesn't it?
Doesn't it?
You cut that bougainvillea.
I actually think it looks better with the bougainvillea. Can you put it back?
Maybe not.
How long have you been waiting for this day?
No.
I see the fire pit still sitting over there.
Go on, boss.
All right. Look out.
How many showers have you had?
Let's see how good I am. We ready?
3, 2, 1. Oh! Look out!
Anyone?
Sure, I'll give it a go.
That was...
Come on, Mark. Cheryl.
Don't let it go and go through the window.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
That's a start.
Oh, you gotta go wearing the safety glasses. Oh, right through.
We're through!
That's nice. Yay! Well done. Woo!
That's come up good.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course, the blinds are gone.
When you go inside, walk down the hallway and I keep thinking there's a light left on. It's so much light.
So you're going to take that off? It's pretty unattractive. It doesn't really serve any purpose, does it? And you cleared out that garden over there?
A little bit.
Yeah, sort of. The blinds are gone.
And even in the
Oh my god, it's so bright. Oh, look at this. Oh, very good.
way better.
And that's demo for day one. So thanks again for joining us. Until we see you again, this is Steve Hooson signing off.